a little warm perhaps.
Oh, yeah. It's a little more than a little warm.
Yeah.
A lot of warm?
Our normal high is 91. We're going to be pushing 96, 97 degrees over the weekend, but the beach will be cooler by about 10 degrees. However, heat index values will still be there in the upper 90s, nearing the triple-digit mark, even out at the beach. So we are looking at 87 degrees for your temperature on Saturday, 86 at the beach on Sunday. Winds will be out of the southeast. We're going to pick up more wind into the weekend as well, around 20 miles per hour, especially into the evening. Waves will pick up with stronger winds, so we'll see them about 1 to 2 feet on Saturday. Kind of choppy though, 3 to 4 second periods. 4-second period on Sunday with 2 to 3 foot waves. So we are starting to see those waves return. That may mix up our water a bit and may not look quite as clear. It's already, it's been a really great time though at the beach the last few weeks. Low rip current risk, that may increase a bit as we head into next week as our wind and our waves pick up. UV index will be extreme, so I can't emphasize sunscreen enough. Now, here's what it's going to feel like inland. So at Corpus Christi, we're going to see those heat index values in the triple digits, not only today with a feels like temperature of 108, but well into next week. We're pushing 112. That starts to be when we start to see our heat advisories being issued once we're at 112 to 115. So it is going to be hot, extremely hot. High temperatures in the upper 90s. Upper 90s for us here in Corpus Christi. Our normal high this time of year is 91. Our peak average high is 95 during the month of August. So that's just how extreme this heat is. We could actually break a few records. We'll talk about that a little bit more coming up in First Edition and online at KIIITV.com later on this morning. But you can see this high pressure ridge is just settling over the area, and there's not too much hope for change, which means there's little hope for rainfall in the extended forecast. We're not looking at much rain at all for South Texas, and that's, you can really see where that high pressure ridge is. And where it's not, all of the rain is going to be across kind of the heartland there into Arkansas and the deep south. So that's where we're going to see the rain. Just some light rain is possible. Really through the weekend, we may see a few sea breeze showers. There actually is a risk of severe weather to our north, kind of north of Interstate 10 as we look ahead to Saturday. But for us here in the coastal bend, we're going to see a lot of sunshine throughout this week. Heat index value again around 108 this afternoon and evening. I still have a risk for an isolated storm, and that's going to be due in part to sea breeze as we're heating these temperatures up. Your heat index 110 in Kingsville. Yes, it's going to be hot. 108 Corpus Christi. It'll feel like it's 97 at the beach today. Taking a look at when we could see a few of those storms, 9 a.m. just seeing sunshine, lunchtime sunshine. By 3 p.m. that's when we may start to see the sea breeze kick in, and a few spotty showers and thunderstorms will be possible. Otherwise, we're still sunny, a very low chance for a tiny bit of rain early Saturday, and then we clear things out again, and it's still just looking hot, hot and more hot over the next 7 days. We'll see those temperatures nearing the triple digits by the end of next week. So with that high pressure ridge settling in, there's not going to be much change other than more heat.